Hello friends. So we are in the sixth part of the chapter, that is the fundamental unit of life for 9th standard science. Well, up till now we have discussed very well the outermost layer of the cell, that is the plasma membrane, the covering of the plasma membrane, that is the cell wall, and in the last class we have discussed very well about the heart of the cell, that is the nucleus. Now we shall proceed further into the region which is there between the nucleus and the plasma membrane, that is said to be the cytoplasm. Now cytoplasm is a fluid filled structure which is present between the nuclear membrane and the plasma membrane. Inside the cytoplasm a lot of organelles are there, and today we shall start with the first organelle, that is the endoplasmic reticulum. Now endoplasmic reticulum, also known as the ER, this is basically present between the nuclear membrane and the plasma membrane. In the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, it has a lot of tubular structures as well as certain bag-like structures, and these bag-like structures are said to be the vesicles. Fine. There are certain small dots which are present on the surface of this endoplasmic reticulum, and they are said to be the ribosomes. So based on the presence of the ribosomes and the absence of the ribosomes, there are two basic types of endoplasmic reticulum. Now if the ribosomes are present, then it is said to be the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and if ribosomes are absent, it is said to be the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now whenever we come across the word ribosomes as the organelles, there are a lot of functions, but the one major function is the protein synthesis. Fine. So here rough endoplasmic reticulum does one very major function of the protein synthesis. Fine. Now in relation to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it performs the function for the synthesis of the fats or the steroidal synthesis, and these steroidal synthesis or the fats is ultimately responsible for the formation of the plasma membrane. So such a process which helps in the formation of the plasma membrane, that is said to be the membrane biogenesis. Now let us go into the crux of the function which is being done by the endoplasmic reticulum. One of the major functions of the endoplasmic reticulum is it acts as the channels. The channels between whom? The channels between the synthesis which is done by itself to the other regions of the cell. So it basically acts as the channels. The second basic function is the cytoplasmic framework. Cytoplasmic framework means it provides a lot of surface for the synthesis as well as for the formation of a lot of biochemical reactions. And the third major function, that is it helps in detoxifying a lot of harmful substances which might have entered inside the cell, and this is specifically done by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now the next organelle that is mainly present inside the cytoplasm and very much near to the endoplasmic reticulum, that is the Golgi body. Golgi body, specifically discovered by the Camillo Golgi, so the name has been designated as it is. Fine. Now let us go into the structure of the Golgi body. Now Golgi body basically present near the endoplasmic reticulum. It consists of several tubular structures as well as certain rounded structures. So therefore it consists of membrane bound vesicles, and these membrane bound vesicles are known as the cisterns. Fine. Now this Golgi body and this endoplasmic reticulum, as they are very close together, the location is very much near to each other, so they together form a complex cellular membrane system. Fine. Now let us go into the crux of the functions of the Golgi body. It does the function for the storage of the food, the modifications of the food, as well as the packaging of the food which it gets from the endoplasmic reticulum for the transportation to various regions of the cytoplasm. And last but not the least, it does a very major function of the formation of lysosomes, which is a very major organ. Thank you very much.